Good morning, my dear students. This is Arul Murugan. Welcome to my digital class. Chapter name Database Concepts, Lecture Video Part 9. In today's class, we are going to discuss database model. We will see what is database model. A database model defines the logical design of a data. So, what is a database model? It defines the logical design of data. The model describes a relationship between different parts of data. So the model describes relationship between different parts of data, and it also describes structure of the database. So it describes two things: relationship between different parts of data, also describes structure of database. What is structure of database? Data type, relationships, constraints. So these are all the things in the structure of database. Here the data model not only describes structure of data, it also defines set of operations that can be performed on data. What are all the operations we can perform on the data? We can add a data in the database, we can remove the data, we can change the value of data, we can access the data. So these are all the operations that can be performed on the database. So in a data model, it is not only describes the structure of the data, also defines a set of operations that can be performed on the data. A data model generally consists of data model theory. What is a data model theory? Which is a formal description of how data may be structured and used. It is like a experiment definition, formal description. So how the data may be structured. So how the data may be structured and how the data is used in the database. Understand? So what is the data model theory? Which means a formal description of how data may be structured and used in the database. Next, types of data models. There are three types of data models are available in the database. First one is hierarchical model, second one network model, third one relational model. We will see one by one. First one, hierarchical model. The keyword you can know: hierarchy, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, like this n number of levels will be go. So top down level, top level, next level, next level. So hierarchy, this structure is called hierarchy. So it is the oldest data model developed by IBM in the year of 1968. In this data model, the data is organized in a tree like a structure. So tree like a structure in the sense first level, second level, third level, like this. So here each node can have only one parent node. So here the node is nothing but one complete record is called node, and root node is the topmost node is called root node. So you can see the structure, so you can able to understand. So each box is called a node. Each box is called node. So what is node? A complete record of each record type is called node. So this node is used to store the record. Here each node, so this is one node and this is one node. So this all are called node. Each node having one parent node. You can see level 2 child. Level 2 child having one parent node is called level 1 child. Here also level 2 child having one parent node is called level 1 child. Here level 1 child is having one parent node is called root node. Here the root node doesn't have any parent node. Understand? So what is root node? Root node is a topmost node in a tree which doesn't have any parent. You should understand hierarchy means it is like a top down. It is like a top down. So level 1, level 2, level 3, like this. Understand? So what is root node? So this is called root node. What is root node? The topmost node in a tree which doesn't have any parent. Understand? So what is hierarchy model in the sense? It is too simple. Data are organized in the form of tree like a structure. So we know that it is in the hierarchy format. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 like that. Next, network model. A network model, data is also represented by collection of records and relationship among the data are represented by the links. Here all the nodes are linked each other without any hierarchy. That is the most important. In a hierarchical model, all the records are linked each other in a hierarchy. Understand? In a hierarchical data model, data are organized in the form of trees, but in a network model, data are organized in the form of graph. That is the most important. That is a basic difference between hierarchical model and network model. Understand? In a hierarchical model, the data are organized in the form of tree, and in a network model, the data is organized in the form of graph. Understand? So in a network model, entities are organized in graph, which means some entity can be accessed through several other path. You can see one small diagram with an example so that you can able to easily understand. In this example, you can see there are four entities: department, student, course, and professor. So it is represented in a graph format. So what is a graph? The entity can be reached with several paths. For example, you can take student. So for the student, through department I can able to access, through department course student I can able to access, through department course professor I can able to access. So like this, several of other paths are available to access the entity. Understand? So in a network model, too simple, all the data are organized in the form of graph. So what is graph in the sense? All the data are organized in the form of graph. What is a graph? Some entity can be accessed through several other path. Next, relational model. So this is the most important model in the database, developed by EF Code in year 1917. Here all the data maintained in the form of tables. We know that the table is nothing but rows and columns. Here the table generally referred as a relational. So whenever in a database we are telling relations, which is referred table only. In a relational model has become more programmer friendly and much more dominant and popular in both industrial and academic sector. So in a relational model, it is more programmer friendly and much more dominant and popular in both industrial and academic sector. We know that there are several database softwares are available like Oracle, Sybase, DB2, which is database 2, MS Access. These are all the softwares are available. So too simple. What does relational means? Relational means table. So all the data are represented, organized in the form of tree. You can see this example, department. The department, it is represented in the form of table. So how many column? There are two column, tab, number and name. You can see another student. In the student, there are three columns, ID, name, course. So like this, if you take any data, all the data will be represented in the form of table only. So you just see this video one more time. Still, if you have any doubt, you just call me or you can message me. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. We will see next class with some other topic.